Vandla ra DA hi vurhangeri bya John Steenhuisen va hlanganisiwe hi swivilelo swo tala kusuka eka vaaki loko va fika tihofisini ta ndzawulo ya xikaya eNewtown edorobeni ra eJoni namuntlha.
If you come early and you go inside, you'll have to wait. I came here at 4 the first time. At 2 o'clock I was told the queue is cut. The second time I came earlier, I came I think 3:45. I was here 4:45 just for the application of the child. The child is in matric. I was told they are offline. We stayed until 1:30, then 1:30 they told us they are offline.
I have 3 months collecting my ID, but I didn't get my ID. Hopefully today I will get my ID, and I'm so happy you guys, you should be here every day.
Vunyingi bya maAfrika-Dzonga lava endzelaka tihofisi leti va hlamusela hi nhlomulo wa vukorhokeri byo biha.
We're not going to solve the xenophobia crisis in South Africa unless we have an efficient, effective Home Affairs system. These systems are broken. They are not serving residents. If we can't even, provide these services to our citizens, it's no wonder we're now sitting with a huge problem of undocumented migration in South Africa, because even people who want to get the correct documentation are facing this monumental wall here of corruption, maladministration, and complete inhumane treatment of people.
Nxaxamelo wa vaaki a wu lawuleka hi ku fika ka Steenhuisen, kambe vaaki va ne ku vilela.
This is the first time that there is never a queue here. This is the first time that you see these trucks that are parked here outside trying to alleviate, the problem. Why? Is it because we are coming? The problem that we have in South Africa is not an issue of systems. It's an issue of laziness. It's an issue of the misdirection of resources. Why can't these trucks be here on every single day to assist the people?
This is one of the offices that have been prioritized for war on queue. There are specific strategies that have been put in place, and constant monitoring is made to make sure that we are able to attend to these complaints as they come.
Murhangeri u vule leswaku va ha ri ka swilaveko xa le henhla swinene xa switirhisiwa swa nkoka ku va va ta antswisa vukorhokeri bya vona bya siku na siku.